Hello friends, welcome to It's Just Lines, our simple drawing series. Today we're going to be drawing a fish. I've got my Sharpie, I've got my paper. Let's get started. So we are going to start with the front, the kind of nose of the fish. And it's like a U, it's kind of a mashup between a U and a V because it's wide like a U, but it kind of comes to a point, but not a super sharp point. So I'm bringing it in a little bit there. Like that. It's kind of like a wide U, right? For the nose of the fish. Okay, good. Next, we're going to do this curved line for the top of the body. So continue where you left off with the top of your V shape and curve that body around, and then pause there. Nice. Let's do the bottom. Similar to the top, we're going to keep curving it around. We're going to kind of come up to meet our body. Now we left that gap for the tail. So let's do the tail next. And you all remember, if I'm ever going too quickly, you can always pause the video until you catch up. All right, so for the tail, I'm doing a diagonal line that's going up kind of like that. All right, and it's okay if it's a little bit wavy. So I'll do the same thing down here. Fish tails are really thin. Sometimes they've got those little wave lines to them. So we're going to bring this part in and then back out to connect to this side. So again, with a slightly wavy line, I'm bringing it in and then out to meet this side of my fish tail. Excellent. All right, let's do some more fins. And these are wavy lines too. So for the top fin, we're going to go up first. All right, we'll draw a line up. And then we'll kind of taper it down and wiggle it to make our top fin. Awesome. All right, now there's two little fins on the bottom. So I'm gonna do one in the front. That's a little bit smaller. Again, wavy line down and then up. And then we'll do one slightly bigger right next to that one. Okay. Awesome, our fish is really coming together. All right, now we're gonna do a line here that kind of separates the face from the body and gives the essence of like that gill where fishes breathe. So it's a curved line. I'm making this one a little bit wavy too. All right, it's just going from top to bottom, but I'm curving it out a little bit that way. Nice. Okay, what does he need? He needs an eye, right? Let's give him an eye, and that's kind of a medium-sized circle. Good. And inside of that, you can do another smaller circle that you'll color in black, and that one's kind of sitting on the edge. So I have it sitting on the edge, and then I'll shade it in to make that whole part black, like that. A little smile. Yes, he'll look happier when he has a smile. There you go. All right, what details can we add? There's lots of lines here, right? So let's do all of our lines in our fins and in our tail first. And you can just kind of follow those lines that go around. And again, it's fine if they're a little bit shaky lines. If you want them to be straighter, that's fine too. I'm just going to do some lines that follow our tail out like that. And we'll do some lines on our fins too. So you can start from the body and kind of go up. And the lines can get shorter as your fin gets shorter. And let's do some on the bottom too. We'll give this fin some lines and this fin some lines. Great. All right, what's missing? Scales, right? Okay, so the scales are like a little U, like a little sideways U. It's a smile line, it's not a deep U. So it's like a little sideways smile line. And I like to work them in rows because then they kind of stagger. I'll show you what I mean when I get to the next row. So instead of putting this one right here on top of that one, I'm gonna put it in between the two, like that. And then that'll make it look more scaly. So these two come in between, and then this one will come in between those. Right, and they'll keep kind of getting smaller as we go away. Now, if you want more scales, of course, you can come next to it and add another two on this side. Add another one, maybe it's running off on this side. All right, I'll add a few more here too. Okay, good. And then, let's put one more right there. And then the other detail I have is just these two little lines that kind of run along the side of the body there. You guys, I think our fish is done. He looks super cute. How's yours looking? He probably doesn't look exactly like mine, and that's okay. The important thing is that you're having fun learning to draw, right? So if you wanted to, you could add some more details. We could add some bubbles. We could add some seaweed. We can add some color too, all right? So what color should your fish be? You know, whatever color you want. I'm gonna try to make mine look sort of like a goldfish. So I've picked out these 2 shades of orange, and I will fast forward through this part, but you can always stop it at the end if you wanna see how I did mine and then try to match my colors. This is the easy coloring because it's all one color. All right, so I'm taking my darker orange now, and around the edge of the fish, I'm gonna add a little darkness. And you see how that makes it look like it's curving a little bit more. Okay, you guys, I think my fish is done, but I really wanna at least give him some bubbles, okay? Let's give him some bubbles. So I've got a circle, a couple of circles we'll put in for the bubbles. Yes. There we go. And inside of those bubbles, you can always add like a little bit of a curved rectangle, and that'll make it look sort of bubbly. Curved rectangle or triangle even. All right, so now he's got some bubbles. Should we give him some seaweed? Yes, let's give him some seaweed. You all could work up this whole page if you wanted to. You could give him some friends where he's got more than one fish swimming in the water with him. But I think some seaweed here is good. Bubbles and seaweed for this guy. Nice. Yes, that really helps. And so you could color in your bubbles, and you could color in your seaweed, and you could add other creatures and turn this into a whole ocean theme and a nice scene if you wanted to. I want to see what you all did, all right? Will you share your drawings with me on our Facebook page at Club Firefly Kids? And you can get your fish uploaded into our Shine gallery on our website. So keep on drawing, friends, and remember, it's just lines.